with us. And if you're new here, we are happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on that notification button so that you will be notified for more upcoming videos. In the comment section, please note the regretful comment. Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
He said they have a legal team, right? How many people are in legal team?
Hold on. Only Eniti expect by around that middle. Hold on, clear fine. Veron. I know be your yawo. I dey vex for you. I dey para. Waiting up. Why they abuse Baba now? You know, say I no be stand down. Why they abuse am? No, now I come your life yesterday. I just run come on because I no be stand down. No, now. No, I no be call you yesterday. I don't know. I no fit call you for life now. No, now, Baba. No, now. I join. I come out instantly as I hear your word. I just come out instantly. Ajay. They come. No. I don't call you. May you explain. They can't give me short video. Say make I confirm now as I dey live. Say me I hear because I want confirm first before I know what I go talk. Oh yeah, me I dey hear you now, Baba.
You guys fight.
You said for no use harsh voice for Baba now. You said no, say people no like hear anything about Baba. Oh yeah, I dey hear you. I dey hear you. I know. Now so the lawyer tell Baba say make Baba come out, come debunk Darusha. She lawyer tell him, the son tell him. Oh, okay. Now you message him, say make Baba talk. Who message Baba say make it talk? You get circle. Okay. Okay, your people. They won't make Baba talk. Mm. Okay, that the vex. Me no vex. Me I no vex. Okay, Baba. We did together now. You see as I dey feel say èmi ready láti dá everything ruka dá ruka ṣépè fún wọn. Ayé yìí máa bàjẹ́ no court kí n dẹ̀ máa lọ. Kí ni mo mọ̀ wọ́n rí ni. Okay, you wanted Baba, your people wanted Baba to come out and debunk what Darosha said in court. And do you think it is right for Baba to come out and talk when something is in the court? Okay, good. Okay. Okay, you don't confirm am now. Say you know other Baba. It don't clear now. No, Veron, I did see. Okay, make I tell you, me, I don't want me Baba come outside again. Me, personally, I don't want me Baba come outside again. Say me you won't come the talk. It's okay. Enough is enough. Mon boy now, I dey hear you. Exactly. Yeah. 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 Àwọn Naira Marley ló ń bá wí náà. Àwọn Naira Marley ló ń bá wí. A kò mọ̀ pé àwọn yẹn náà búlé ẹ̀ náà, but kó wá cast àwọn náà. But kò ṣe é. We all done dey inside now, Baba. Baba, if you know where it go end, then me I feel you need to talk to somebody where say yes, where they reasonable among us, small dialogue, make not even me, you know. Okay, more dialogue now. Exactly. Now, why you not supposed to even dare anywhere where they mention Baba name at all? I never hear the video finish. I never hear. As I did life, now they come meet me. They won't start to talk about her. And I say, I need to confirm. Veron is somebody I've known for years. Even before we don't dey do TikTok. Do you get? Even before, so, uh-huh. And first of all, yeah, if I'm fighting for something, okay, maybe you know the Facebook. We don't the Facebook since for years. May I tell you, we don't see cases, but Kukonche relay. See, first of all, we will me, I give God the glory, and I leave everything in God's hands. And the battle is of the Lord. It's not even us. And I don't think it's by our strength or by our power where we they talk. We just, Baba, hold on. Baba, hold on now. Ṣé okay, àti lẹ́nu jọlọ́run lọ báyìí àbí ẹni tó dá wa nìyẹn. Àti lẹ́nu jùlọ àbí pa ó fà kéèsì yẹn fà. Tọ́lọ̀ bá máa parí rẹ́ǹsì ṣé a máa lẹ́nu mọ́? Kò sí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe náà. Ẹni tó lè parí rẹ́ lẹ́ǹkan náà. You know, so he's watching. You think he's not looking? The waka where you waka from here to where you reach yesterday, I've been a weekday. Now God see you through, not be by your power, Baba. Ajay, you see everything where they happen, eh? Everybody see what's going on now. PDD. Shofi, o show my point for Bolu Gaba ma jáde leni. Until cast it, but mo ti rí gbogbo video yẹn ko. Baba, hold on, please. You see Sanshito. I believe that man knows what he's doing. And with what I saw, what did I see that day? The questions the way that man asked him, it takes an intelligent person to understand where this man is driving to. Polo ni money. He knows. Hold on now, Baba. Hold on. I will answer you. Like, trust me now. And now, I don't need Baba to come outside to prove anything to anyone. We pay Baba him because he needs to listen to his lawyer. I'm not Baba's lawyer. I can only give my opinion. You can hear your opinion. I can agree with what you're saying. That okay, I think Baba needs to come outside too to talk. Then later, see Baba was sorrow. These people are ready to pick. And when where is here? Come. They're ready to pick from what Baba is doing. If Baba is even hold on now, even if Baba is saying something right. These people are ready to nail Baba, to kill Baba. So for now, Baba is not ready to have me. I won't even allow him talk. I don't go allow him. If they leave Baba with me, Baba don't go talk to anybody. Ajay, Oloun, I'ma carry out everything. I'ma carry. You see, how it makes sense.
Good
I'ma carry
afternoon,
everything
everybody.
smooth and clear. One light alive. Baba, if Baba should come outside, they nail that man. Oh, nail it. That's joy. Joe. He is the target. Baba is the main source of whatever we are doing. If Baba should stop coming outside, Baba should guard the Lord like if you want you shemo. Ma padà sí normal TikTok wa ni o. You know now. Ma padà sí normal game wa ta nse ni. Me ni sọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad because ó ti lọ nìyẹn. You know how many people where don't lose because of justice for Mohbad? You know how many people where you said don't lose because of justice for Mohbad? Baba, some things where our people where they go talk. Forget him, not be him. Not be him. Why don't be everybody go be like me now? Baba, you know, send me a day straightforward from day one. Now, not be all of them, not be like that. Now, me, I did different. You know as I be now. And that's why I still be. And now why you like me? I don't hear you. Yeah. Ajay, no, I go la. Ajay, anything where you tell me, I go la. No, I know be bust waiting now. Bust waiting. I don't care. Exactly. Bam. Bam. Okay, tell me. No. Veron. Ajay, Baba no need anybody to stand with. I'm not even me. Akako wa lórí bá ṣe ẹ Ọlọ́run. No. Why not? Why not? I dey understand what you dey try talk so that you won't put yourself in trouble more. That's what I'm trying to say. Do you get? You went through the cell and all that. Yeah. Even though I'm ready. I'm ready, my way. The two of them are supposed to be tools for Baba. No. None of you do anything for him. I do understand. Ọlọ́run, where you dey? Ajay, where you dey go? Ọlọ́run. Okay, oh yeah. I say because you need to be safe as well. You have to be careful as well. Though we don't care. Oh yeah. I do understand. I won't understand you. So why you want be Baba tools? Who na follow? You follow talk. You follow them talk. Wow.
Everywhere, don't matter. My earpiece, so. I bet Tony.